Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Elena. Over the next few weeks, you're going to see a series of videos to help the communication novices out there. Are you a mover and shaker, content creator, entrepreneur, or an executive? An indie artist or musician, an up-and-coming athlete, or an author just wanting to get their first book out there to the masses? No matter your level of expertise, everyone gets nervous before a public appearance. What I will do is help you cover the best practices so you can have the most effective media interview possible. Before you get started, ask yourself a series of questions. Will this interview be on radio, TV, print? How will this interview be framed? What type of questions will be asked? Is any topic off limits? These are some of the things you have to think about and consider before you start taking interview requests or pitching yourself for an interview. Once you have selected the particular outlet or reporter you want to speak with, research previous interviews, whether online or in print, because you want to familiarize yourself with the framework of the journalist's questions as well as their intended audience. You want to make sure the interview is going to be the best to represent your brand. Secondly, stay calm. Breathe. Be confident. Show your personality. We all get butterflies before an interview. Just remember, the interview is tailored to what you know. And if you get any curveballs thrown your way, don't worry about it. Bridge and transition. Later, you will see a video that's going to focus on bridging and transitioning to keep the interview on track. You want to stay hydrated. There's nothing worse than being asked a question and you get a massive hairball in your throat, or you're just coughing and you can't speak. Keeping something handy, like a bottle of water, will keep your mouth refreshed and keep you hydrated, and the words will just keep flowing out of your mouth. Also, determine your key messages in the interview. What are you trying to say to your fan base? What are you trying to tell the reporter? If you're trying to recruit casual fans to come listen to you in concert, how are you going to get your message out there? Find your key messages, hammer them home, and this is how you can help win over newbies as well as keep your existing audience. And finally, sound bites. Keep everything short, concise, and quotable. Never use jargon. No one wants to hear a lot of rambling. It's frustrating. Get to the point. If you have a good point you want to make, use examples, but keep it short. Remember, embrace and embold your identity, your vibe, to represent your brand. If you like this video, more will be coming soon. You can like and follow me, and my description box will contain my social media links. Take care.